Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. So we are going to open some friend mail, and I have just the best group of gals that follow me, and I can't have been any luckier in finding this group of gals because, you know, we are so supportive of one another and just, you know, making relationships with people that are into the same things you are. It's beautiful. So the first package I'm going to open is from my beautiful friend Gina Stanley, and I am going to provide her channel in the description box. But she is amazing. She does all kinds of videos, reviews, she does unboxings, she does she's really into jewelry, so she does like unboxing when she orders jewelry, and she's beautiful, and she does hauls, and she's amazing, and yeah, she's all that and a bag of chips. I just love her. I love her to death, and she is my favorite green girl. We both have an obsession for green. So anyways, yes, Gina was nice enough to send me a package, and you know, she didn't have to do that. She's wonderful. She's absolutely wonderful, and bless her heart, she's had so much going on with her health, and you know, it's just, she is a fighter, that's for sure. So Gina, I'm trying to be gentle because you know how I can be. Gina is also a fellow Virginian. She's just in the western part of the state, southwest. She's actually a big state, so doesn't seem like it, but it is. Oh, Gina. She wrote me a little note. She's just, she's amazing. Okay. First thing is a box. Gina. Oh my. I have also a love of makeup, a love of jewelry like Gina does, and she sent me this beautiful necklace. Oh my, it's an elephant. Oh my. Come on, focus. Gina, it's gorgeous. I love it. Absolutely love it. Well, if I was showing the right side, you could have seen it. Like all the detail on it. Wow. I'm going to throw that on. Beautiful. Thank you, Gina. I love it. Absolutely love it. Just have a love of elephants. Oh, Gina. It is beautiful. It's a scarf. With elephants on it. Oh my gosh. It's gorgeous. Gina. It's fabulous. What a beautiful scarf. What a beautiful... I saw a dress yesterday, Gina. And it was... I was in Target, and it was like reds and blues, and I looked at it and I almost picked it up like that. I must have it now. Must. It's a must. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Wow. Wow. What a good... She's so good to me. She is so good to me. Aw. And then she sent me a little pair of socks that say blessed. I'm blessed to have Gina. That's what I'm blessed with. Too cute. Gina. Oh my God. Another little pair of socks. OMG. Gina. wonderful. I love it. Oh, so cute. So cute. And she has wrapped something up in here. What does she got? Oh. This little elephant. And they are surrounded by me. Or, yes. Can you see? Nope, that's the wrong way, Susan. This is Buddha. Buddha, 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 Buddha. I call him Buddha. I know that's not Buddha, but that's what I call him. And there's a ton. You can see them all around me. I just love them. Thank you so much, Gina. It's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. You are fabulous. I can't thank you enough. You did not have to do this, and it's just absolutely amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you so much. Ugh. I love you so, so much. So, I actually have another box of friend mail, but I'm going to do it in another video. It just happens to be Gina's niece, who is also a good friend of mine, Erica Mullins. So, she has a channel as well. She's just not been able to focus on YouTube. She's got 2 little twin boys who are absolutely beautiful, an amazing husband, and, you know, life, right? Life. So, anyways, we'll come back and open up Erica's box. And Gina, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I love you so much, and you are such an inspiration to me. You have no idea. Just beautiful. Thank you so much. Everybody, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I love you guys so, so much. Mwah.